wrap up this session quickly. Actually, it has to be very, very simple to talk about yourself, but I understand it's so difficult to kind of, prioritize what best you are at and try and talk about your in a good manner. End of the day, you have to do it because you are going to market yourself in front of your employer, your investors, everyone about the product. That is you first. Let's start with yourself. Anyone? You can take your time, and once you finish, you can leave the class. Lastly, I would just like to add a couple of things. The shows that you right now were shown to you, it was all done by FC and MD. Few girls from MD and many of them from FC. Both the Pune Times Fashion Week, the Best of Bridal Expo. So any one of you would like to work, I'm working on 2 fashion tours, one to London, one to Spain this May. Anyone wants to work on that project, you're most welcome to come and talk to me about it. I would require many hands to kind of put it together. If there are any fashion events also, if you would like to work on other projects also, I have many projects right now working. This is my personal capacity. So if you have anything particular in your mind, of course you can come and talk to me about it. Generally I take the 2nd and 3rd years because 4th years are very busy. But for the last 1.5 years, the 3rd years, different 2nd years have come and helped me big time, and they've got a good amount of experience. You can ask the 3rd years FC batch. But anyone of you who's interested, who is localite also, will be more happy because it becomes easier to travel around. Someone sitting in the hostel becomes quite difficult unless it's a Saturday Sunday. But if you would like to work on live projects, if you want to work on certain projects which you would probably, if you have something in mind to build your own skill sets, you can of course come and meet me down. You know where I sit. And second half I'm quite free, so you could come and meet me if you want to work on certain projects if you really want to. Okay. Thank you very much. It was wonderful having you over here. Just sit for some time, make that reel, and then leave the class. Okay. Thank you. I hope the thing was good. The session was good. I hope you understood the concepts of marketing and sales good. Any quick feedback you want to give, absolutely fine. But I just like, because this is a semester subject. Marketing is a full semester subject. Wrapping it up into maybe a couple of hours, it's quite a task. But I tried my level best to create, just cover a few main concepts out of it. STP and main definitions.